you doing? So I just ordered a Knox Universal 3-bow Bimini from Amazon for $250, all in tax included, for my sailboat. And I thought I'd do an unboxing video. I just arrived, so you see, here it is. Not bad for $250. Let's open it up. Alright. Up here. Put that over there. Okay, so here's what you get in the kit. These are the side walls for the Bimini. Not bad, looks like good quality. Not bad for $250 for a Bimini. Here's the top. Let's see what the top looks like. So the material feels pretty good. Not bad. 900D, whatever that means. Apparently it's heavy duty canvas. It looks pretty good, actually. Feels pretty good. And then you get, well, you don't get these, I put those in there. So you get the stainless steel deck mounts. They look, actually, they feel pretty heavy. Just open it up here. I'll show you. So, stainless steel mounts. So they wrapped up. Let's unwrap it. So this is what they look like. Actually, they feel really, really strong. Heavy duty. You get 4 of these. And then you get all your cables and screws. They're all strong stainless steel. They look pretty good. Of course, you get your, these are the ties that go to hold the front down. They look pretty good quality. And then you got your instruction manual and your poles. Now the instruction manual is over here. So here's the instruction manual. So you get 2 bow tubes. This is all the stuff you get with the Bimini. It's actually quite decent for $250. I mean, a Bimini for a sailboat would normally cost you anywhere around a couple grand. So I'm hoping I bought the right size. So the poles, they're aluminum, that's the only thing, but they feel really strong. So I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, as you can see, they're solid. They're really solid. So I'm gonna put it together and put it on the boat, and I'll make another video of the finished product. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, or comment if you have any questions about attaching a Bimini, your measurements, whatever it is, I can help you out. Alright guys, thanks. Cheers.